Okay, guys, so this is my full little area. Don't talk about it just yet, just because I do still have to figure out where some of the things are going. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so first I guess I can get into this little bin right here. I did get this off of, no, actually I got it from Walmart. And I didn't spend like, I want to say it was definitely under $20. And in these bins, I have the top drawer contains my shipping scale. I have my printing labels in here along with like some of my jewelry packaging stuff. I did get these off of Amazon for my jewelry boxes. And then these are my like little jewelry cards. I got these off of Amazon as well. If you haven't seen my unboxing or my first business or entrepreneur, well, I call them Boss Babe volumes, you can definitely check that out, and I have links in there that I've like of the specific items that I have. If you saw something that I didn't mention, you can definitely leave like a comment and I'll like leave the link for you. But yeah, I got these thank you stickers from Amazon, and these here are little mesh bags that I want to use for my business. It was going to be like for my lip gloss and lashes and all of that stuff, but these are too small. So I'm going to be using this for probably my business cards right now. I haven't, that's more than likely what it's going to be used for. So I got a bunch of those. What else is in here? Yeah, that's it for that drawer. So for the bottom drawer, I have some small bubble mailers just because of, like in my last video, I'm going to show you guys my thank you cards are 6x9 and they're too big, so they won't be able to fit in this. So for now, I did order some bigger bubble mailers, which are right here. These are like huge. I don't know like the exact size, but let me see how big it is. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using these until all of my thank you cards run out, and then I will start using like the smaller ones. But in here, I also have like my palettes for my makeup in here. I have some of my lip gloss syringes in here. Those are more palettes. And then my pipettes that I got off of Amazon as well. I can't remember how many, it's 150 in there. So that is it for that drawer. This desk itself came from Amazon. I can leave the link there. I believe it was about $70. But again, these are the bubble mailers I'm going to be using. This is my laptop case, which I really don't use. I should, but I don't. And then this is some printing paper. These are little out bags that are too big for my business, so I'm going to try to find out something else I can do with this. These are my headphones case, and these are from a lip gloss class a lipstick making class that I took about a year or so ago. If you guys haven't already, check out Living Victoriously. A lot of her stuff is, yeah, it's really good, and then like they have like good messages behind it as well. So let's go ahead and keep on rolling. So this stuff right here is just my lip gloss making stuff. Here's my Versagel. These little containers I got off of Amazon. I did buy gallons of like oils from TKB. So instead of like wasting product by like trying to pour it into like the bowls and stuff like that, I got these little things and I put little like sticky notes on it with tape, just basically so I'll know what oil or whatever is what. So these are the bowls that I'm going to be baking my products in, and I got those off of Amazon as well. These little golden accessories or desktop accessories, whatever you want to call them, I got all of these off of Amazon, and I want to say they were definitely no more than $10, I want to say, but I'm not quite sure. If you guys want, I can definitely leave that in the description box below. This right here, I am putting like my jewelry pieces, my pendants, all of that, the chains and everything like that in there for now. I do like that. I got that off of Amazon along with that. So before we get over to that, here is my little Boss Babe journal that I keep all of like my inventory in, what I need to do. And of course it says Boss Babe because that's what I am. Yeah, and I got this off of Amazon as well. And here are some of my products that I have been testing out. Here's my eyelash and eyebrow growth serum. As you can see, I've really been using it, just trying to make sure that the oils that I've came up with actually work. And I can tell you that they do. So here is my printer. I have an HP OfficeJet 4632. And this is what I'm going to be using to print off of my labels for my business. I got this printer when I first started college, so that is a long time ago. so yeah. And then here I have two 10-drawer organizers. The white one or clear one I got from Michael's. It was on sale, and I believe it's still on sale right now. The original price for it is like $69 or $60-ish. I got it for $29. And then this black one here, I got off of Amazon just because I didn't know that they had it on Amazon, and it was about $29. So I'll start with this one. These are a pair of some pair of sunglasses I still have to take pictures of for my website. So those are just sitting there until I get to that. In the top drawer, I have my thank you cards. They came in this, again, they're 6 by freaking 9 because I didn't know measurements then. And then, hold on, let me cover up my code. So these are my thank you cards, and they are huge. So make sure you guys shop with me so you can receive 15% off of your next purchase. So I just have thank you cards in that drawer. So for my next drawer, these are like just miscellaneous things, low-key, just because. Okay, so these are some lip gloss labels. They look pretty on this paper, but I've actually tried putting them on a tube and they like aren't like good quality looking. So I just said I was gonna probably stick them on like the glasses, or just so that I can actually use them up. I have some tape in here. I have like little free lip gloss tubes my vendor sent me. I do have some extra of my actual lip gloss tubes in here. They come in plastic, and that is just because where they are in my drawer, like they can't fit. And these are my actual lashes. So this box is just because I didn't pay for a box, they just sent me some extra free lashes. But these are my lashes. My stickers will be coming, I believe, on the 20th. So make sure you guys go ahead and shop with your girl. So these are all my personal lashes, and they are going to stay there until I get my vanity desk. And then here are the lip gloss tube like stoppers. Okay, on to the next drawer. The next drawer just contains like my actual size mesh bags. I got these off of Papermart. If you guys want the website, I can definitely leave, or like the actual link to these exact mesh bags, I can definitely leave that down in the description box for you. Just go ahead and comment asking for that information, and I can definitely do that for you. Next drawer, we'll get into my inventory for lashes. I'm sorry, my inventory for sunglasses. So yeah, I just have 3 types of sunglasses in here. And go ahead and close. I have 2 types in here. I have a bunch in here, and then they stop here. So this drawer contains, again, some lip gloss tubes just because I couldn't fit anywhere else. And then this is getting into my lip gloss stuff. So I have like some Mikas here, that and here. These are going to be for when I eventually create the liquid highlighters. I do plan on doing that like very soon, definitely before the year is over. Come on. Okay, there we go. So in this drawer, I have like a bunch of flavoring oils. I have like liquid pigments and stuff like that. And then here is my lip gloss tubes. That's the drawer where I keep all of my lip gloss tubes. Oh my gosh. Okay. So over here, I have a drawer full of my business cards as well as some more thank you cards. So here is the front of my business card. And here's the back. Focus, focus. Okay, so you're not gonna focus. Anyway, so it says, Alora's Dynasty, give a girl the right accessories and she can conquer the world, because we can. And it has my Instagram, my website, as well as my email address. And it's telling you to shop today, because what are you doing, sis? You got until the 28th to get you some coins so you can shop. So in this drawer, I have my mascara tubes. They're just kind of like my lip gloss tubes, but with the black mascara wand. And then here are its stoppers. The next drawer is starting my my lash inventory, as well as some more of the freaking 2 huge thank you cards. So again, all of my lashes are separated by the style, so it's like each row, I guess, has like its own style. I did do this today. Come on. Oh. There we go. Okay, so more lashes, more lashes, 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 and lashes. So as you guys can see, your girl is pretty stacked and pretty stocked up on lashes. So make sure you guys shop on the, y'all see what my daughter did? Oh my gosh. She literally just did that because I was not there earlier when I was doing this. But so make sure you guys shop on the 28th of this month, because that is when I am launching. Yeah, so again, this is my little business / homework area. And if you guys like this video, please go ahead and like, comment on this video, as well as subscribe to my channel, and you guys won't regret it. I will be doing more videos like this just because I actually like doing this, and I want to just show you guys my journey basically on this entrepreneur boss babe life. And I will see you guys in the next video.